up? Welcome back to my channel. So today I am prepping pretty much all day long because tomorrow I'm heading to Honolulu for a full month. I feel like every time before I leave for an extended period of time, the day before is just always such a mess. We're gonna be pretty busy just getting everything kind of packed up and prepped for my trip. It's 9:20. I'm doing my laundry right now. I also brought my iPad, so I'm just gonna do a little bit of work while I wait for my laundry to finish, and then I'll catch you guys up a little bit later. So good, I swear. This winter, guys, all I want to eat is egg on toast, avocado on toast, and just like really yummy stews and soups. It's like such good cozy food. All right, so I am on my way to a donut shop. I know what you guys are thinking, like, Adrienne, that's so random, you just ate breakfast. So if you are in Korea, Randy's Donuts, you've probably heard of them, but there's always a giant line. So I was like, okay, I want to try these, and I figured it would be a nice little incentive if I buy them, just for me to kind of like be as productive as possible today, and then I'll probably enjoy a couple of them tonight. But they open at 11, so I'm gonna go a little bit early, and hopefully I can be one of the first to get in because they literally sell out. I'm not joking, they'll be like sold out by 2 p.m.
A few moments later.
다크 초코 피넛 버터 하나, 마카데미아 화이트 하나, 네. 그다음에 녹차 크림치즈 하나랑 Okay, it was honestly so funny how I thought I was getting to the donut shop early. There was literally like 200 people already there. So that was funny, but I'm glad I got my cookies. These look really, really good. I'll have to show you more of them later. Anyways, for now I'm heading back home. It's 11 and I'm about to do some deep cleaning in my house because I want to film my house tour today. It's like the last possible day I can before I leave. Alright, I just finished filming my apartment tour finally. I feel like I've literally been putting it off for 2 years, so it feels so good that I got that done. I was so busy cleaning that I barely really had time to update you, but my house feels so clean now, which is great because right before I leave for a trip, I always try to clean my house up so that it's nice and clean when I get back. So let me just give you guys a little sneak peek. You guys already know what my house looks like, but it's feeling extra clean right now. Right, Cleo? Wait 1 second. All right, so I just got back. The appointment was very quick as expected, and now I'm just getting Cleo's dinner together, and then my boyfriend and I are going to go out for one last meal for the next month because he is staying back in Busan. I wanted to mention to you guys, I'm changing up Cleo's food. We think she has a chicken allergy, and I'm just curious if any of your dogs developed a chicken allergy later in life, or maybe you didn't realize until later in life. But basically she had been scratching so much. The vet looked around and saw nothing. So we think that she has a chicken allergy, and it actually would make complete sense because over the past few years she has been shedding so much. Like, something is going on with her skin because I bathe her, I brush her, and then she still just sheds so much. And I realized it might be because I put chicken on all of her meals. So, and I just boil it. I don't cook it in any oils or anything like that. So we're just kind of trying out a new diet for her. So I have some of her new meat and omega-3 powder and her pill. Girl is on like a whole new regimen. So I'm gonna give this to her and then we are going out for dinner. This is Cleo's dinner. Does not smell good to you. All right, come on. Alright, so I'm back from dinner. It was really good, some much needed time together. And I feel like now would be the time that I'm usually starting to pack, but plot twist, I already packed for the most part. I did my packing last night, but I think I'm gonna do a little like revision tomorrow morning. Got some more time, but for the rest of our evening, we're gonna have some of our cookies we got earlier. I don't think I showed you guys the ones we got, so let me show you. It's from my favorite cookie. If you come to Busan, they have, I think, 2 shops here. And then we already ate one earlier, but we got the macadamia, matcha, and then peanut butter chocolate. So these are gonna be really good. And we also got some milk to eat these with. Yum! All right, it is about 20 hours later, I think maybe a little less than that, but I made it to Hawaii. So I got here and I did not vlog at all yesterday. It is such like a busy day when I have to go from Busan all the way up to Incheon Airport because it involves taking a really long train. I had to take Cleo to her hotel, more subway, you know, airport check-in, all that stuff. And the flight, I really love the flight time. It's at 8:30 p.m. and then I got to Hawaii at 9:30 this morning. So it's literally like your perfect red eye. You have enough time to sleep. And obviously like today is probably gonna feel really long, but I'm feeling good. I got to my Airbnb and then I took a really nice shower and I got some stuff unpacked. I'm gonna show you guys around and then we are heading out to run a couple of errands. I'm gonna go see my brother. I cannot wait to see him. He's like one of my best friends. The main thing I need to do is get my dirty toes done. But honestly, from today, I'm just going to be really into work mode. I'm not here just for like a vacation. I'm literally here to work, work, work. So I'm gonna be filming a ton of like work style vlogs and stuff like that. If you guys didn't know, I used to work in Hawaii and my brother lives here. I have several like of my best friends living here. So this really is like my second home and it just feels so good to be back. I was so lucky I scored this little Airbnb. It's so cute. It's tiny. I'm in like a really busy area. There's tons of cars, but example A. But it was so affordable and it's such a good little size for me. Let me show you around. So here is the kitchen. Cutest little kitchenette. I am so excited to cook a ton in here. I'm gonna be going to Costco probably tomorrow and getting this all filled up because I'm gonna be cooking mostly. And then here is the main bed area. So it's honestly like basically the same size as my house in Busan. And I have some like really nice bright windows coming in. And I brought obviously a ton of stuff for work shoots, hence that little rose. Beloved collection coming very soon. I started to unpack, but I still have to put all that stuff up and then I have to unpack this packing cube. But these are basically all of the clothes that I brought. It's literally just one packing cube worth. And I'm gonna be showing you guys like all of my favorite capsule outfits in a future video while I'm here. And then here is the bathroom, the 화장실. I got my skincare unpacked for the most part and shower. So yeah, I'm going to be getting nails done. We're gonna see my brother and I'm gonna run to Target because there are a couple essentials I need to pick up, like shampoo and conditioner. I just purposely wanted to buy that here because I love being able to shop American brands. I'll come back for nails in about a week. Okay. The massage chair is one of my favorite things about the nail salons in the USA. In Korea, the nail salons for pedicures that I've been to personally, they don't always get your feet wet, and then they also usually don't have a nice like massage chair like this. I guess maybe if you went to a really, really nice one they would, but mine don't. So I am here for an overdue pedi. I'm so excited. Hi guys, so it is a couple of days later and I wanted to hop on and properly close off this video. It is currently nighttime. I'm just getting ready for bed and I figured I would come on and say hello / goodbye. I just wanted to say a huge thank you to you for watching this video. I'm sorry that I didn't vlog a lot of the whole process of me actually like traveling, but I personally don't think that stuff is super interesting to vlog, so that's another reason why I did it. But I am really excited to spend the next month here. I've actually been doing so much vlogging. I did like a full day of vlogging yesterday and today, and I have so much content to show you guys, so I'm just really excited about that. So I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Be sure to let me know what other types of videos you want to see from me this month as well as next month. I have a lot more time to film like sit down videos. If there's anything like that you want me to make, just let me know. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. One little side note I wanted to mention, the Beloved collection is officially launching by the time you guys see this video tomorrow. So it's launching Sunday, February 5th. So if you are wanting to see what was in that collection, you will be able to tomorrow. Feel free to check it out if you want. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love you and I'll see you very soon in my next vlog. Bye guys.